I'm 14 and I'm a drifter. You probably know me from Drift Masters, being in the pits and flagging around the t-shirt of Benediktas Cherba.
Back in Riga, back at Bikaniki Circuit, and these two guys are going to go. They could potentially go head to head. Look at this, a Benediktas Cherba fan right there in the grandstand. Look, got the signed t-shirt.
So in a couple of years, I hope to be in Drift Masters on track, to be invited, and James Dean, watch your back.
Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.
So this year I'm competing in the Norwegian Championship, and in the first round I actually didn't compete with this car because it wasn't ready. I actually borrowed a car from a well-known drifter here in Norway, Hooligan Drifting. And I just want to thank him for getting me into this sport in drifting, and he was a big inspiration for me at that time and still is. So huge thanks to you.
Salute mi familia.
So why we didn't use this car for the first round? Because it wasn't ready. And for all you people that are waiting for your new cars for 3 or 5 months, I waited for this car for 1.5 years. So stop crying.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean?
So round 2 was that we came to the Gardermoen. We took down the car and we went to technical commission.
We got the wheel. Okay, so we're in line and waiting for the technical commission, and we hope everything's fine. Looking is always clean. So yeah, we'll be happy if we go through, so we don't need to work the whole night. And yeah.
For tonight, I'm gonna have to fix a battery because they're holding in the proper and delivery. So when the whole delivery is done, I'm gonna come here tomorrow for him to double check again.
Everything's fine with the commission, as I said earlier, and hope for the best with the delivery. The car is looking awesome as always, and I'm really stoked. Came here 20 minutes ago, and now we're leaving to do the delivery.
So we went home and we started putting on the livery. And as always, we didn't expect it to take so long.
We're about 6 people working on one livery, which is many.
So because I thought I had to get some sleep before qualification the next day, I went to sleep about 12 while everyone else was working on the car.
The boys are still working, which, yeah, it's really awesome, and I'm really thankful for everyone, to Ozenu, to Darius, to Matas, to everyone.
Really thanks to my dad and his friends for making this possible and going to the track. So I woke up, put on my clothes and got ready. It was about 6. My dad has slept 1 hour. I went outside and it was my first time seeing the livery.
I just woke up. It's the next day, or the first day. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm outside. I'm going to get to watch the livery. So the boys have been working the whole night. My dad said he stopped working 4:30. This is how it looks. Damn, she looked nice. So we're in the car. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're heading to the track with the new car, the new livery, because we were here yesterday without the livery. Now we're gonna come back with the livery. We're gonna go through technical commission because we also fixed the battery because it wasn't it was a strap around it that wasn't like good for it, because if it exploded it would just, yeah, it's not safe. So we have to make like a bracket. And also it's gonna be a driver's meeting at 9. Okay, so this is how I will showcase the track. So here's gonna be the startup where we're all gonna be waiting in practice. The Manji, which is really tight. Come here to Manji, straight here. And there's a 3, 2, 1 go initiation. Initiate here. I assume you have to probably gonna initiate with the handbrake, back tire, left foot brake probably a bit. So take here, come here with the back tires, probably. Come here. If you see that you're not gonna take it, left foot brake. Or if you're gonna get too close, left foot brake. Here. Back tires here. And I don't know if this also is for grossers, this whole one, because I don't know if they allow being on besides the wall, because I remember last season they said that you can't. So we'll see. In the car now. It's gonna be practice now. I'm excited. Really fun.
So qualification had started. I qualified 11th, got 67 points both runs. But we had some problems with the car, with overheating, and hadn't gotten too much practice with the car, which was hard. But we made it through, and I'm stoked. So yeah, the next day, it was Sunday, and we had some twin battles, training, and then top 16 had started.
Now briefing is gonna start, and there's gonna be battles. So we're gonna talk about the battles, and yeah, so I'm probably gonna film off some of the meeting.
It's very important. So
Now, I believe in speed. Power.
you try and we see.
Power and speed solves many things.
Training of twin. I was chasing someone, and in front of me he spun out, and I luckily drifted behind him. Which was a close call, and yeah, so I'm really happy that we didn't mess up the car before the battles. So my first opponent was Darius. He drove a BMW E92 twin turbo 3.5 liter.
Kjører veldig fint der, begge to.
He was a new beginner, but it was hard chasing him because he was running a lot of air in his back wheels, which was really slow.
Han sører litt ifra her nå på andre halvdel.
We won top 16, and I was really stoked, and I was already happy. And our next competitor was Tadas. He is a well-known driver and is really talented.
Tadas kjører som han alltid gjør, han, og leverer bra lyderen her. Mareike, han blir bakere snart, og han svarer jo veldig, han har gått
So I started as a chase because he got a higher qualification run than me. So I started chasing. I initiated really good, was on his door, but then before a transition to outer zone 2, I tapped my brake a little too much and gave him some space. So the battle against Tadas was really learningful, and for next time I won't release my gas. I will be on his door the whole time. So Tadas, we lost to Tadas, but he won 3rd place, which congrats.
Hånda opp på pallen, Tadas. På 4. da. Elvinias, på grunn av oss.
And congrats to everyone who made it to the top. This weekend was really awesome. Thank you for all the support and all my sponsors for making this happen. And I'll see you next time.